Hey everybody, it's October 25th, 2024. The song download does not contain this narration. Psychological warfare, you've been duped. This is really basically an in-your-face reality check that you've been lied to. You've been lied to your entire life by the medical community, by teachers, by the government. You've been lied to your entire life that, what you've been told over the years and what's been going on. You've been lied to. What's going on now is that Satan's grip on the world is so strong, and it's a stepping point, a test to see how easy it would be to control the population in global depopulation, and to try to enslave the remaining population until they could create a robotic workforce. It's going to be a major battle between good and evil. So, all I can say is be strong and stay in the fight, and do not let Satan and Satan's people take control of you and win. You have to fight, and you have to fight to the end. Doesn't matter what happens, you cannot let these people take over the world.